Hello my creative friends, Winnie here. Today I would like to talk about and show you different styles of broadbands that you can use for do-it-yourself. But in first place, I would like to show you something that I did in the beginning 10 years ago. I used PVC broadbands. These ones are the last, some of the last ones that I got. This one is really narrow. It's only about 1 centimeter, and this one is 2 centimeters. You can also get 2.5 centimeters. That's 1 inch. And I started out to make these ones. And how did they look like? You can do this kind of stuff here. You have to put ribbon around your PVC broadband before you put some stones on there, because if you glue on stones or chains directly on your PVC broadband, it will fall off. It doesn't work. It has to get something that they can attach to. So ribbon, satin ribbon or velvet or something. Here's a narrow one that I made. Oh my goodness, it's so long time ago. But I just tell them out now. I got them as a at my place as a good memory. There are other kinds of. Here's a really wide one, the 1 inch one. As you can tell, I used a string. It's a crystal chain, and I used a string to put around it too. And I also attached a satin ribbon first and glued it on and made these ones. But guess what? I'll make another kind of video about this topic, because it's a story for itself. I don't know if I have more to show you. Yeah, of course, this one, I love it. I love it. But the problem was, it takes so long time to make, and the materials are really expensive, and people didn't want to pay for it. I know that's okay. So I began to make leather broadbands instead. It's more common. So I'll just remove this, but I promise you I will make a video just about that topic. There it is. See, you already know the straight one. Here's a leather broadband with padding, black padding, and there's an empty channel, and rhinestones and chains and stuff stays protected when they are in here. That's the reason why it's a really good idea with an empty channel. If you have to measure, you think, okay, what size do I need? If you need to measure your broadband that you already have, you have to go from, oh my goodness, you have to measure from here to here, the whole way over here, to see, this one isn't long enough, but I hope you understand what I mean. Your size. Measure from here till here, that way, not this way, okay? It's because if you need a size full, you already say, okay, my horse needs a size full. But what is a size full? Sometimes size full comes in 42 centimeters, other times 43 or 44. It depends on who you talk to. So this one and this one, you see that it's a bit more straight here, but it's because this one is from my very first manufacturer, and he made it in this way. I prefer that one, and it's called wave broadband. or normal curved, but in future they only come in this style. It's very popular, especially in Europe. You can also get it with padding, black padding, and you can get it, I'll see if I can find it. Here it is. That one is with 10mm empty channel, and you can get it, it's quite wide, 12mm empty channel. It really looks nice when things are done. Oh, just give here. I made that long time ago, but it's I made a video already about this kind of stones in an empty cup chain. It's called Rivoli stones, but you can watch it in my other video. Otherwise, you can, of course, you can do something like this. I only had just glued on some what's called glitter, and then in the end of the day I glued on some rhinestones. These are Swarovski, but they are almost impossible to get now, because Swarovski stopped selling rhinestones or Swarovski stones to all wholesalers and retailers all around the globe. Really annoying. Everybody just got really sad. And here, one more, the curved one. Yeah, so you can get the curved one or straight one, and I got more. V-broadbands. You can, of course, you can get V-broadbands with or without padding. And I recommend you to start from the center and then work out to the sides, so you know what is exactly in the center. It depends on what you want to make. Yeah. And of course there's double V broadband. I have decided to discontinue this type or style of broadband because people don't want to buy it because it's too expensive. So I put the price down and say, okay, I'll stop with that. But they do exist, and I recommend you to Google so you can find your broadband maybe nearby where you live, so you don't have to get it from the other side, on the other side of the globe. This one is called U-shape. It's a lot deeper, yeah, in this wave. It's pretty nice. That's very popular too. And this one is made for double bridle. It has, as you can tell, wait a sec, the loophole is large. It's about 5 centimeters, this loophole. So, and this string here, leather strap, also in U-shaped style, whatever. And you can get broadbands like this, and they are pretty cool because they have a snap button. So it's a way quick release and put on and take off, and there you go. This is a normal wave broadband, but they are really good. And the last one I would like to show you is it's called a flat broadband, and it's not because it's flat that way. No, it's very narrow. As you can tell, it's a U shape, and there is no empty channel there. It's possible for you to glue on your rhinestones directly onto the browband here, because the surface is really rough, yeah. And you can also attach cup chains with rhinestones. First of all, I would recommend you to glue it on, let it dry, but then also to sew it on, at least here, here, and here, so you are sure it doesn't fall off. It would be so embarrassing, yeah. But they are also, people asked for them, so that's the reason why I got it. But I don't have everything, so please Google where can I get it, and so on. I can't supply the whole world anyway, and I don't want to, because I'm a painter. I prefer to paint the most of the time, and then this is a side. I do this. Oh, my English is so bad. I'm so sorry. I really apologize, but I just hope you get the point. Yeah, got the meaning. Get the meaning. Whatever. So many styles you can choose from, and they are, yeah. Google it everywhere, and measure your size. Choose what size do you need. As I told you, it maybe says a full, but how long is a full? Is it 42, 43, 44 centimeters? You really have to measure your own browband first, so you make sure that you get the right size. So that was it. And I can tell my towel here has become pretty bad looking. It's really dirty, but I have made plenty of stuff on it lately, so that's the reason. And yeah, that was it for now. But as I told you, I'll make another video about you know, the PVC browbands. Yeah. If you have any questions, please tell me and let me know below this video and comments. And if you want to see even more about how to make your own browbands, then please subscribe, so I know somebody is interested. So that was it for now. See you.